Responding to a structure collapse requires careful planning, ample resources, and safety awareness. Here are 5 key considerations for fire and EMS crews when facing this complex and dangerous situation. First, collapse zone. Maintain a safe distance of at least 1.5 times the building height from the collapse site. Debris can travel far, so positioning your ambulance and fire apparatus outside this zone ensures you stay out of harm's way. Second, start with ICS. Upon arrival, provide a building and incident description, request additional resources, and begin moving people away from the immediate hazard zone. This ensures a smooth, coordinated response. Third, active utilities. Utilities like power, gas, and water may remain active after a collapse. Treat the structure as unstable until safety measures are in place to mitigate the risks posed by these active utilities. 4. Structural integrity. Even after a collapse, the debris may not be stable. Weakened walls and trusses can still fail, so always be cautious and aware of the potential for further structural failure. 5. Don't rush in. Take a moment to assess the situation and formulate a plan before acting. Rushing into a collapsed structure increases risk and should only be done when absolutely necessary for life-saving efforts. A structure collapse response is resource-intensive and should involve coordinated efforts. Early requests for resources and careful consideration of safety can help ensure a safer outcome for both responders and victims.